In this video, we will see how to find jobs without job portals. That means reducing our dependency from job portals. So let's see how to do that. I will show you some search strings for searching a job, maybe nearby from your residence also. So in this COVID, as you know, that many restrictions are there. Most of the employer are looking candidates from a nearby area. Even most of the candidates are looking jobs nearby residence. So I'm sure that all will not get succeeded in that, but let's at least have a try, or at least have a try to search a new job. That is also more than important than getting nearby. So yes, we'll start with our search strings. So you have to type in title, then work with us. So now friends, in title work with us, as you all are aware why this entitled work with us is there, because as an employer, if I want to join someone or if I want to hire someone, I will write in title as work with us. So that can be one phrase which I am going to use to attract candidates. It can be current openings also. Later you can replace this work with us with current openings, careers, join us. So all these phrases you have to think as an employer, and you have to use as many as you can. So now again space, and for a designation, for example, if you're looking for a graphic designer. So this is graphic designer. So now friends, near about 865 profile, not profiles, 865 jobs we have got who have an opening of graphic designer. As you can see here, graphic designer work with us. So again, graphic designer work with us. So these are all openings from all over the India. Now, if you are flexible to location, then it's okay. But if you're not flexible to location, just add location string after this, space and location. Before that, let's check if this is our apt search. I'll just open this file, I'll just open this link, and let's check if they have some job openings of graphic designer. Okay, work with us, and let's go to some requirements which they have posted. Okay, let's type graphic designer. Are some job openings in front of us. Let's open this job opening and let's see if we have got an apt search. So yes, they have work with us section, and this is graphic design. So see, we have got the apt search. They have an opening for graphic designer, and you can get the company website, also their contact us details to apply. So friends, as you can see, through these strings, you can reach their website, you can reach their contact details and apply the job. Okay, now let's use some string for location. So Mumbai. Now again, we have got some we have got some job openings which are now specifically for Mumbai. If you are flexible with location, the other string is okay with you. But if you are location specific, you have to use the location and see senior executive graphic design. So this way you can find profiles. So this way you can find jobs as per your requirement. Now let's see if I want to find the opening for graphic designer in Kandivali. I'm just trying this. I'm not sure if we'll get, but yes, we got some result. and let's see if it's near Mumbai. And let's see if it's in Mumbai from a location, specific location called Kandivali. So yes, Mumbai is there. Okay, graphic designer and Mumbai is there. And let's get in touch. So they are based in Andheri, which is nearby. So this way you can try and this way you can try some strings. Again, this is Mulund West. This is Goregaon. Again, this is nearby Kandivali. So friends, this way you can try searching. Now let's take another example and another string in title current opening. Space Java developer, enter. So we have got near about 1500 results, and see we are now looking for Pune location. So there are some results from Quicker also, but we are mostly interested in companies. So yes, there are some openings we have got in our search. So this is a company, they are hiring for Java developer. Let's check this out. Yes, they are hiring for Java developer. So another way I will show you how to find if you're looking for from any specific company. So you have to just write that company name, and then you can write the location and see if you could get some results. So there are certain results, but not from that company website. So yes, you can then visit to this. Okay, one we got from the company website itself, and others we have got from consultancies or Facebook. So these are also important, that there are certain blogs also for current opening which they have mentioned. So you can search that, or you can try using company name also. Like this, you can get some current openings too. So friends, this was some search strings. You have to do permutation combination. You have to replace with current opening with join us, work with us. Try each of that word which is similar to try each of this word and think what else an employer can write in that. And in this way, you can find jobs for yourself. Thank you very much.